Hello guys,
Hi guys.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
I hope you had an amazing day and an amazing, family meeting with your families. Today we have
Best of 2023 top 5 best products reviewed this year.
So we have 5 products that we reviewed and we believe that they are the best for your house. So, first product, it's the Sky Protect. An amazing product to protect your house for, many occasions. This system has security traps on your windows. You have 2 cameras and you have a peer detector. Let's go and see the video. On these packets, we have leak detection motion sensors. We have an indoor camera and a video doorbell. So yes, I believe it was a very useful product. I really liked the idea of having wireless cameras and
Yeah, it was definitely a very, very good idea. Really worth it.
Let's go to the second one, which is the favorite of the channel, the Titan 140 bar pressure washer. And let's see the video. Unboxing Titan. We have a pressure washer. I know you can wait.
Can't wait, shall we?
Yeah.
This is that part. Do not put the wheels on before you actually get the front part on.
Yeah. Come on, Zoe.
Let's see. Try a little bit. Sorry, Dee.
Let's
As
see.
you can see, straight away, there's a difference. I'm not going to press it, don't worry. As you can see, straight away, there's a difference with a few seconds of it. So I have a new toy, and I'm just going to spray the wall. Maybe just go a bit back. Yeah, it's my new toy.
Recommendations.
I highly recommend it. It's easy. It doesn't pull your hands like lots of other products. This type, when you start, it just goes like, oh, and pushes you.
Yeah.
It's easy to use. You saw how little I actually used it, like a few seconds, and I get this result. So I highly recommend it.
I really liked when you were doing all this cleaning. Yeah, it's very easy. It's very easy.
It is very, very easy. It's one of the best products we actually have reviewed. Very easy to use, not heavy. Just a brilliant product.
A brilliant product for a very nice price. And the only thing that doesn't work, which will come next year to see about that, is the circular thing of the device.
Yeah, the circular brush.
Yeah, that thing doesn't really sit down with because the product is so powerful. We can't really use that thing when that
We
goes.
will show you what we mean. Yeah, that was the fail of the product. You will see the video and laugh.
This is for you.
Oh yeah, that's the Lumea, number 3.
The number 3 is the Lumea IPL, which is for women. You can use it as a man to, take some hairs from your body, but they meant to be for women. A very powerful device, guarantee from Philips. Let's go to the video.
Surprise!
Surprise, surprise. This is a Lumea Prestige. Looks very nice.
Yeah, it does.
So
4 different heads.
It's quite big.
Right.
Yeah, you will. You can open it. This is the device.
No, you can't do that. I was expecting it heavier, to be honest.
That's an amazing product. I really like the idea of you doing your hair remove with no chemicals, no radiation or anything. Just one device does everything. If you get the combo device, you have some special heads that you can put on the device to use in different parts of the body.
Yeah. That is, again, one of the best products. Obviously, I've tried it on myself. Very good results. Do not expect, though, that it's actually going to do it in the first 2-3 sessions. It does take a while, as even if you go to a professional, it does take some sessions, but it does a really, really good job. You can see results nearly straight away. That third, fourth session, you can actually see it actually working. So, thumbs up. We like that one.
That dehumidifier was a success. We use it every day. It's a powerful device. It makes some noise, but you can dry your clothes. You can do anything. And I'm going to that because you already know that I'm talking about Ometa. This is the ultimate unboxing, and today we have a special tool for the winter.
Very quiet.
It's quiet, very quiet. On full blast. Dry clothes system. Now it's gonna run continuously, so this is a low noise. See? All the lights are out, so you can sleep if you get bothered by lights at night.
Yeah, that's great.
And you see the ring, it says that we have high humidity inside the house. This is the Ometa air dehumidifier. Very practical device, very useful for me. You have dry clothes all year.
You loved the video. Thank you so much for the support. Likes on that video. It is a great product again. It does dry your clothes. It does dry your house around. Does a really, really good job.
We heard a small complaint for a customer, not of ours, of course, from the company. The 20-liter model, it's a little more noisy, but no sacrifice, no victory. You can have a silent dehumidifier that does work. It's very hard. Even if you go to an industrial building with a huge dehumidifiers they have, they are noisy. They just hide the noise with music.
Yeah. You can actually do that at home. And
number 5, Igeek 2K Bell J1. We didn't know. We tried it. And we have some news. So let's go to the video. Here we go. We're gonna test run it just to show you guys for your house and safety. When someone press the button, you will see that it comes up on your phone. Because they are so sure about the battery life of the device, you have a small screw that you can put under the case, the wall mount case, and your doorbell is going to be secured in place for 2 months. And this device, we have 87 days of this device not charged. Every day use That's unbelievable. I'm gonna tell something. The batteries of the bell, what I mean the bell that you have inside your house, run out faster than the video doorbell.
Yeah, they actually did, and that was very surprising. We were not expecting that to happen. We were expecting it the other way around, but
that's the reason we didn't come back to this device, because it managed to dry out of battery today, and we have this device from October, okay? And it didn't run out. It said it's a good idea to charge the device. So this is a sum up. We had an amazing time with you guys, helping us, the channel. We buy every product from our own money to make those reviews for you guys to have a good opinion and a good idea if they work, if they're worth buying. And that's why we really thank you for your support, all these comments, likes.
I just want to say a massive, massive thank you to everybody for the support.
Happy New Year, everybody.
Happy New Year. Wish you the best.
We really appreciate every single comment we receive. See you next year, of course.
See you next year. That's going to be like in a few days.
And thank you for watching our videos.
Like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.